si Bianca Gonzalez at close ties sa AFC Connect. As promised, ang huling linggo ng Hunyo ay ilalaan natin sa inyong mga mahal na tatay. Siyempre, we have considered June as the month of our fathers. At bukas hanggang Biyernes, malalaman niyo na kung sino-sino mananalo for our Para kay Tatay promo. At bago pa man natin malaman yan, heto na muna ang iba sa inyong mga
Rosan Messi!
Pakita kung gaano nila kamahal ang kanilang mga tatay. Libutin natin ang mundo, starting off with our first vlogger na si Marian na nasa States ngayon. Mga 4 years na rin silang hindi nakikita ng kanyang tatay na nasa Saudi Arabia, and she posted, "I want to greet my dad a happy Father's Day. He is in Saudi right now. My whole life, my dad worked in Saudi to provide for our family. He managed to put me and my 3 sisters in school."
Tauliyay ka na ako!
Proud to say that we all graduated from college because of his hard work. He really sacrificed the distance of not being with us for how many years, and now he's back in Saudi again. I won't be able to see him because I'm here in the States. It's been 4 years already. I really miss him, and I'm so lucky because you are our father. Take care always. We love you so much. Marian, Lloyd, Ali, and Gabe. Oh, sweet naman ng Marian, at I'm sure magkikita din kayo anytime soon. Kung hindi na sa Saudi, bibisitahin ka niya dyan sa States. Ang susunod naman nating vlogger ay maswerte dahil nagkaroon naman siya ng chance makapag-spend time with his father dito sa Manila. She posted, "Happy Father's Day to the best dad in the whole world. Thank you, Dad, for all the love you've shown to us over time. I know sometimes your 3 ladies and kids could be a handful, but you're always there willing to understand each one of our differences. And if I haven't said thank you for this yet, I want to take this chance to thank you for doing pretty much everything for us since we were little. Daghang salamat sa tanan, Dad. You're simply the best. I love you so much, Liz." O, diba? Sa harapan ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang nakakatuwa pagkasama ang iyong tatay, lalo na sa buwan ng Hunyo. At ang huli ating vlog ay mula kay Ann Cuenco dyan sa Amerika. Ang kwento niya naman ay kakaiba dahil halos 15 years na silang hindi nagkita ng kanyang tatay. Heto ang kanyang kwento. "Bianca, sa kadahilan ng hindi ako lumaki sa piling ng aking ama, ito ang aking munting regalo sa kanya. After 15 years of not seeing each other, this is my first year to celebrate Father's Day with my dad. He's been gone from the Philippines since I was 2 years old, and he never came back. So I'm really fortunate that he was able to send me here in the U.S. I want to greet my dad, Fernando Cuenco, on this special day. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you so much." At bukod pa dyan, may pinaprayer pa siyang poem para lang sa'yo, Daddy. And here it goes. "For all the things you've led me through and taught me, and for promising me that you will never leave me, helping me in anything and everything I face. Every day, you're there for me by simply calling each other once in a while. Rarely do I get to thank you enough. So on this special day, I do exactly that. Thank you for being my father." Oh, grabe na. Ang saya mo siguro, Anya, dahil nakapiling mo na finally ang iyong ama. And now you can spend time together to catch up for the 15 years na hindi kayo magkasama. Nakaka-touch naman talaga lahat ng inyong mga messages and stories. Kaya naman, sa susunod na linggo, mga kwento naman tungkol sa inyong kaibigan ang bibigyan pansin namin. Siyempre, all you have to do is post it